Getting bit by mosquitoes? Join us as we show you how to get rid of mosquito sources in your backyard. The first step is to identify the sources. These could include plant saucers, water bowls, yard drains, bird baths, kiddie pools, toys that can hold water, and tires. Search through your backyard for anything that can hold water. Fresno County has multiple types of mosquitoes. The invasive Aedes aegypti mosquito is one of the toughest to control because it only needs 1 teaspoon of water to breed. That is why we need everyone to dump and drain potential sources in their backyard. By dumping outstanding water at least once a week, you can decrease the amount of mosquitoes near your home. Make sure to scrub around the edges so that no eggs remain. Putting a piece of window screen on yard drains will prevent mosquitoes from breeding inside. If you have standing water in your backyard that is unable to be dumped, we can offer mosquito fish. Don't forget to spread the word and share with your neighbors how they can inspect their yards for mosquito sources too. As a community, if we all do our part, we can truly make a difference.